Hello, in front of me I've got Blink Outdoor 4. In this video we'll check if this device is waterproof. In order to check it, firstly prepare a flat screwdriver or coin and remove the backplate. As you can see right here on the sticker, we've got the information IP65. IP65 is rating from the Ingress Protection, which classifies how well a device is protected against solids and liquids. IP65 means that this device is fully dust tight and protected against water jets. Water projected by nozzle from any direction won't harm device. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.